Yeah, so we can record because the other one.
All right. So what do we see? We see a number range problem over here.
No. Can you start from where you started?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you just give me 1 minute?
Hey, when you
I think I'll have to open the door.
Yeah, go ahead. Amua, whenever you go to a movie again, you say you start again the movie.
Yeah, but if the movie, if they have system problem, it's their fault. They have to start again.
Start again, right? So it's a movie problem here.
Yeah, it's your movie problem. So you start.
Yeah. All right.
Don't put it in all. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm back.
All right. So this is the number range problem. So you know what's the transaction code, right?
Kadi, are you starting again?
Yeah. I'm starting again.
Okay.
I'm doing the planning.
Yeah.
Okay. So planning, you go here, you give the entire group, or you want to do a single cost center, you can give a single cost centers. I'm doing for entire cost centers. Okay. Kavita is not getting the voice now. I don't know why. Voice not coming.
She can call in, right? You can call the phone.
Log in back. But don't kick all of us out of the meeting. All right. Hey, come back, Amua. All right, see, I'm clicking over here. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, Kay, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
So here I come. Now I'm doing a planning for the whole year for the production department 1. So I'm saying 120,000. So it is 10,000 per month. Okay. So again, I'll go for the next combination. So I go to the next combination with the cost center and the cost element. I'm doing a planning over here, let's say 24,000. Okay. Then I'm going for a next combination where I'm saying I'm planning only 6,000 for the whole year.
Okay. So Hadi, 1 minute. The cost element is the 40,000, 5,000, right? Right.
Yeah.
Where's the cost center? Where's the cost center?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. All right.
Okay. Now I'm trying to save this. See post. So I was getting this error message. Okay. The document types, the business transaction, we call in controlling as a business transaction. RKP1. I hope you remember the transaction code yesterday by a movie name. I told this before.
Yeah.
KANK. You go to this transaction code.
Yep.
The controlling. Yeah. Go to the group. It was asking what? RKP1. See? Right? You go to RKP1, search. Otherwise, just say Control F, search like this. RKP1. Enter. So it will take you to this RKP1. Select this. You come here. You double click on this. Okay. No, you keep the cursor here.
Can I do record?
Yeah. Okay. Kavita, just put it on mute. Alright. Okay. So you select this, click on this element group, double click on this. So it will come to below. RKP1 gets added into this F500. So we'll come and do every time whenever it asks for the number ranges. Save it. Done. Now I'll come back to that screen, exit. Again we need to redo it. I said 120, next combination 24,000, next combination 6,000. If you want to see how it has been allocated for the whole year, select this line, click on this. Right. One second. You there, Kavita?
See, I'll give her the recording, you know.
No, yeah.
You can continue, I can give her the recording.
Okay. So I click on this. Okay, I click on this. Now if you see, this is how it has been allocated for the whole year. Right? Harshita, this is how it gets allocated. Back. This is what, if you want to see the combinations, how it has been allocated. Like for example, 120, how is it has been allocated? Click on this button, period screen. So it shows you how it has not allocated for the whole year. Just save it. Okay. Now let's see the report. I'll execute. So now you see this is filled up, right? 120. Now if you want to see, this is what we have given for the whole year.
Okay.
Right, 1 to 12. Now I'll give it only for 1. Now I'll execute, see. Got? Production department 1. 50,000 was an actual. You wrote it.
Actually.
10,000 is a plan. So 40,000 is the variance. Right, difference. Okay. Similarly, if you go here, no, actually the planning was 2,000. But the actual cost is only 1,000 you have done. So it is going, minus, see. Negative.
Yeah.
1,000 minus 2,000 is minus 1,000, right? Greater sign. 1,000. Similarly, you go here. So
But
the plan was.
This is very strange, right? The variance, the variance calculation, right?
Why?
1,000. If actual cost is 1,000 and the plan is 2,000, and then negative 1,000. That means this doesn't come. Is there any way you can change this thing?
No, but brother, this shows like an income, no? Credit, no?
Oh, okay. So this is not for analysis purposes, right?
This is just analysis. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, but if it's analysis, why would you say if you budgeted 2,000 and then you spend 1,000? That means you have 1,000 as extra money, right? Right?
Yeah, but that is how it is treated over here. In SAP, that is how it shows. In our terms, in our accounting terms, we treat as a profit over here.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, next. If you want to change the signs and all that, then take a help of an ABAPer, we'll change the signs for you. Okay, next. Okay. Now, in this particular report, it's actually pretty slow. You already noted, right? 50,000 over here for the production department 1, 2, 3, right?
2 is 1,000 is 3,000.
Okay, now I want to transfer 10,000 from this production department 1 to this production department 2.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is called as allocations. Amoa. Allocation from one
quick
cost.
question. Quick question.
Yeah.
Normally, when you are planning, right, you have a lot of data to load, right?
Right.
So how do we go about that?
Upload LSMW.
What?
Upload. We upload.
LSMW.
You use an ABAPer or what?
Yes, you take a help of an ABAPer for that. Legacy System Migration Workbench. I told you, right? If you want to see that, I'll show you in the last. That uploading part.
Okay.
Okay. Manual intervention will be less. If the data is huge, it is always an upload. Okay. So this for KP06 we upload through an Excel sheet, which I'll show you later, man. That's another aspect of it again.
KP06.
Okay. This is KP06, no? Planning, transaction.
Yeah.
Code. So now we are into allocation from one cost center to another cost center. How do we do? There are two ways. One is through assessment and one is through distribution. P&L, you'll not understand this, I'm telling you. So what we are trying to do, I'm trying to transfer production department 1, 10,000 to production department 2, right? First we look into assessment. How to do this?
I'm just a little bit confused. You're trying to allocate costs from one department to another department. So like,
I want to allocate.
So in other words, like you have more money in one department, so that's why you want to transfer it to another department.
Not one money. Maybe lubricant. Maybe this department is falling short of a lubricant.
Okay.
Okay. The lubricant is lying in this department. So this department wants to use this lubricant rather than purchasing from outside. I have lying over there. So I want to transfer it to this department.
Oh, so internal basically transaction happening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Internal. Okay. Moving internal.
Right. Okay.
Controlling. Kavita, just put it on mute.
Okay.
Early morning, lot of utensils throwing around. Okay. Posting, closing, assessment. Can you see here? Maintain assessment. Hello?
Yeah.
Click on here. Click on this. Create actual assessments. Okay. Your assessment consists of a cycle.
Okay.
The assessment consists of a cycle. Okay, consists of a cycle. Okay, in cycle you have a segment. Okay, here I create a cycle by name F500 0101 2014. So here, can you see, I'm giving the name of a cycle. The cycle, what we are using it for, assessment, right? So this assessment consists of a segment. See, I'm giving here segment for F500. Okay. Now your segment controls what should be the sender value to be posted, how the receiver value should be posted. Sender has controls.
Okay.
How the sender and receiver values to be allocated. Okay. Sender, who is the sender in our case? Production department 1.
Yeah.
Production
and receiver is production
department 2.
2. Yeah.
Okay. So here we are having how much? 50,000. Here we are having how much? Only 1,000.
Only 1,000.
Now I want to transfer how much? 10,000 to here. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is what I'm trying. But I'm doing this transfer based on assessment. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we are transferring, can you see here it says assessment cost element? Here.
Yeah.
See, I'm clicking on this. So when we are transferring this 10,000 from this production department to this production department to, it is done based on secondary cost element. Hello?
Secondary cost element.
Element. This secondary cost element is nothing but it works like a carrier.
Oh,
Like
okay.
a carrier. Carrier of what? This value 10,000 till 10,000 here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this secondary cost element has a category. Like how we have a cost element categories, right? Similarly, for secondary cost element also we have a category. So this is category basically is 42 for assessment.
Oh, okay.
Okay, assessment, this is what. Okay, let's go ahead and create this. And when you create a secondary cost element, you should make sure you go beyond your balance sheet values. Your balance sheet values has ended where? Till 4999, right? Or 5999, something like that, right? So go beyond that. So go beyond those values when you create. So let me go ahead and create a secondary cost element. Accounting, financial accounting, controlling, cost element, cost data. Here, create secondary cost element.
K06.
K06. Now I'll say 942. Like this I'm giving number. You can give whatever you like.
I mean, you can give whatever. Okay.
But beyond that numbers, beyond the balance sheet numbers.
Beyond the balance sheet numbers. Okay.
Okay, 01/01/2014. Enter. So what is this we are using? The purpose is for assessment. Okay. Now watch. Here it is not coming the assessment value when I'm creating a cycle. See here, see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm creating a secondary cost element. Assessment. What should be the category we said for assessment?
42.
42. Go ahead and save it. Done. Now I'll come back and see over there that cycle what I was creating, right? I'll come back. Now you see what's this?
So it should pick it. It should pick that, yeah.
Yeah, 942. See, I'm getting now.
Okay.
Here. Now sender rule. In the sender rule, you're deciding whether it should pick entire 100%, 50%, how much? The sender. Now the receiver should really receive the amount in the form of a variable proportion or a fixed amount, fixed percentage, fixed portion. What I'm saying, fixed amount.
Okay.
Receiver. Now I go to the next one. Sender, receiver. Now who is the sender?
Production 1.
Production department 1.
1.
Who is the receiver?
Production
department 2. You can give a range also. From this range to this range should pick from this range to this range also. You can do it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now see, I'm not giving anything in cost element over here. Okay. See, I go to the center values. What is the version? Which version we use? 0. Good.
0.
Now I go to the receiving tracing factor here. Now how much value we said we'll transfer to production department to?
10,000.
So give 10,000. Now I'll save it. Done. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll try to run this cycle.
Cycle.
Transaction code is KSU1. Note it down for the cycle. Creation cycle. Assessment cycle KSU1.
KSU1. For assessment cycle, right?
Yeah. Now I'll try to run this cycle. Whatever cycle I have created, I want to run this cycle now. KSU5 for execution. Okay, here. Can you see here KSU5?
Yeah.
So you click on this cycle. Hey, 1 second.
Yep.
హర్షిత
యా కవిత చెప్పండి.
హర్షిత
యా కవిత. కవిత వినపడుతుందా?
వినపడుతుంది. ఏదో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, వాటర్ వస్తుంది. మీకు వస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు
ఇప్పుడు లైట్ గా వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది లైట్ గా.
ఇంతకుముందు క్లాస్ అవుతుంటే వాటర్ వస్తుంది ఇంకా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్.
అవును, నేను సబ్జెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. ఏదో కవిత చెప్తుంటే కంటిన్యూస్ గా వింటున్నాను.
ఇప్పుడు పర్లేదు, ఇప్పుడు బాగానే ఉంది అనుకుంటే ఖరీదే ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం రావట్లేదు మరి.
Okay. Let's start.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the cycle I created? F500. Okay. Kavita, just put it on mute. All right.
ఓకే.
So what date? Whatever. If you don't know the cycle, just go here. You pick it up the cycle. So this is the cycle, right? We created. Hello.
Sorry, how did you pick it?
Yeah.
No, here
I didn't
F500. No, you just give F500. That's it. The cycle will come.
Okay. And click on enter. Okay.
No, not yeah. Now you click on execute. I'm doing it in a test run. See what it says below.
Maintain number range for controlling area. RKIV or U?
You okay? RKIV, I suppose. Yeah. Let's see. Now let's go back. Go to the number ranges. K and K. Go to the group. Pause this carefully. Okay. Control F R K I V. Okay. Enter. So RKIV it is. Okay. I click on this, so it will take me to RKIV. You keep the cursor here. Click on this element group.
Oh, okay.
Then you double click on this. This one. So what will happen? It will go into the F500 RKIV. See. Okay. We have selected the wrong one.
I thought it was
IU.
Yeah,
I'm going. Yeah, it's the wrong one. It's the wrong one, man. I'm going. Group. Control F. RKIU it is. Actual overhead assessment. Click.
So that's not me.
Yeah. Select this. Click on this element group. Double click. Now if you go down, it gets added under this. RKIU. Save it. Back. Now let me execute. I'll come back now. I'm executing that cycle. Okay, I'm executing it now.
Excuse me.
Water sound stopped now.
Because somebody was filling up the water, they have done with the work.
I don't know. It was water's been running for the last half an hour. Yeah.
It is only in this session I face this, because I take 2 other sessions. I don't see this problem.
Okay.
I don't think when we were taking in the morning hours we ever had a problem, right? Starting we had, right? First.
Yeah, started we had the problem, yeah.
Because if you stick to a headphone, that will be better.
Yeah, that's true. That's why I have the headphone on. But we are in the headphones, right?
Yeah. But I don't know. Somebody might be not on headphones. We don't know. So it is better if you be on a headphones. That will help everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here you watch this. Sender. I'm going to the sender, right? My sender values. See, sender is 1, receiver is 1. So no error messages. So I go to the sender. Okay. So 1 to 12. So we did it for the whole year or what?
Oh. 1 to 12. 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 1 to 12
Yeah, we did for the whole year, man.
But will it record? Did you save it?
No, I said 1 to 12. No, I ran it on test mode. No, that is the reason.
Oh, then it's fine.
1 to 1. See, first period. Now I'm executing it. Yeah, Shita?
Yeah.
Actually, that water sound is coming from your end.
Yeah. Maybe some transmission problem because it's
Just put it on
low.
mute. Just put it on mute. Let's see. Farhan, just watch.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah, the sound is gone, yeah.
Maybe transmission problem. But because it's very quiet over here. Nobody has feeling water.
Yeah, probably your microphone, Harshita. Probably your microphone has some problem.
I'm just using headset.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in that headset. No, it's not coming actually.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's a transmission problem, I think.
Yeah.
So I'm
Actually,
seeing the
you know-
sender.
Yeah.
Sender is 10,000. Basic list. Receiver is also department 2. I'll run it in the real run, then we'll execute the report and see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Uncheck. Execute. Real run. It's gone slow and slow and slow. It's too slow, man. Now it's compiling. Done. Now let us look at the report. I'll go back. So what should happen? What should happen? What should happen in the report? In the production department, 10,000 is reduced.
40,000.
40,000.
Should show 40,000.
So this is becoming as a carrier. This is a carrier, right? This is a carrier. It is carrying the cost. Carrying the cost to where?
Department
To
2.
production department 2.
Department 2.
See, it has carried the cost. 10,000.
And it has become 11. Yeah.
11,000. Clear? This is an assessment method. Now when I do the distribution method, you people should tell me what is the difference between assessment and distribution. Okay? Now I'm doing a next method. Okay, that is a distribution.
Okay.
Okay.
Define distribution. Okay, F500. Now the cycle already created with this, so I'm creating another cycle, F501.
Excuse me.
So this is a cycle for distribution for F500. Attach segment. This is segment 2, segment 2. So I'm just doing a fixed amount. Till here, no confusion. What is the difference you see here? Can somebody tell me? You don't see assessment secondary cost element here. The secondary cost elements is not a carrier. Then what is a carrier? Something should be there, right? To carry from one cost center to another cost center. Let's see. I go to the next. Now sender receiver. Who is the cost center? From production department 1 earlier.
To 2.
2, it should go to production department 2. This is what we did in the earlier one. Okay. Now I'm going to the center value. See what it says.
Enter value for the field
enter values for the field cost element. So that's mandatory.
So here in distribution, the carrier will be your cost element.
Okay.
First difference. In
So it's
assessment,
not
your
cost
secondary will be your carrier. In the distribution, your cost element will be your carrier. Cost carrier.
Okay.
Clear? First difference? Okay. Others are same. Nothing difference. Version same 0. Tracing factor same. Let's say 5,000 will transfer.
Okay.
I'll save it now. Note down the transaction code KSV1. Creation of distribution cycle. Now I'll go ahead and execute this cycle. KSV5 execution.
Okay.
501 test run execute. What it says?
maintain number range for
Maintain number ranges for
Number
RKIV.
problem. Yeah. So go to the.
We have already created for RKIV, right?
We created for RKIU.
And first we thought.
First we
DNP
thought
did
we,
that.
yeah, I did not add, but I did not add it over here.
Oh, you didn't. I thought you had added it.
So I'm going into now RKIV. You search it manually. If you feel you are comfortable, search it manually like this. Okay, select this, click on this, double click on this. So if you go down, it gets added over here. See? Save it. Now I'll come back to that session. Execution, I'll execute. Always do it in the test run first. Okay, now sender, again basic list, receiver, back. This was in test run. Back, leave the list. Uncheck, execute in the real time. So start it again. Yeah, Harshita, just put it on mute, no?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay. So I have executed. Now let's see the report. I'll go back. Watch this. Production department. What is the difference you see here now? What is a carrier?
A production A or?
Carrier, cost element. Earlier it was
Yes, that's right. Yes, sorry. Yes.
assessment.
Yes.
Assessment.
This is for distribution,
Okay,
right?
receiver. Yeah, this is for distribution.
Yes.
They'll ask you an interview question, difference between assessment and a distribution. In assessment,
Yeah.
it's your secondary cost element that work as a carrier.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It will not disturb the originality of the transaction. It remains like this in assessment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
But in case of a distribution, it is shown on the basis of a cost element, whichever you're taking. When you go to the receiver side, in the receiver side, it will disturb the original transaction. See, it has added to that particular
Mm-hmm.
cost
Okay.
element. But in case of assessment, it will not disturb anywhere. It will remain as it is. The originality will remain as it is.
Okay.
But in distribution, it will disturb the originality of the transaction at the receiver side.
Okay.
Clear, Harshita? Harshita?
Yeah, she's on mute.
Put on mute.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, Kadesh.
Clear what I said?
Yeah.
I said assessment, difference between assessment and distribution. Distribution based on the cost element. Assessment based on the secondary cost element. Okay. Now, I just finish up with 2 more transactions. That's it. See, manual reposting of cost now. Another way of doing it. Hello?
Yes.
Manual reposting of cost. Under manual reposting of cost, first I'm doing this KB11N. This is all reposting, transferring. I think we are the first one to use all these transactions. Okay, now my old cost center, production department 1, from particular cost element, transfer 2500 to new cost center, production department 3. Okay, hello, this is what I want to do. Enter. What is it? Assign number range RK U1 or V1, I don't know. Let's see.
So,
Number ranges again.
so there's the assessment, right? Not the distribution.
No, assessment distribution is over. Now I'm doing manual repost.
Okay.
That was through a cycle. This is
see.
like a manual. You do it manual.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just showing you what is the difference between that. RKU1. Okay, repost cost. Same thing, number ranges. It has gone down. RKU1. I'll save it. Back. I press enter. I'll save it. Document 7 posted. If you wish, if you have done a wrong, you can do the reversal. Here. Okay, now let's see the report. So how much we transferred? 2,500. Right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Back. Exit. Now I'm executing it. So I'm in the production department 1. Is it showing where from 2,500 is gone?
Yeah.
No.
Sure.
Oh yeah, it went to the lubricant, right? It went to the
From
lubricant
here.
up there. Yeah. Yeah.
Directly from here, see? So it is disturbing the originality of the transaction.
Yes.
To which cost center did we send it? Who's the receiver?
Production department 3.
So got it. Here, can you identify?
Yep. It disturbed it. It's in the 3,500.
Yeah. Now, how do we see that? You just double click on this.
Oh.
You click on this actual line item.
Magic.
Got it? 2,500.
Yeah.
Right. So it disturbs, but if you have to go inside and see that, okay, you can see that. So that is a manual repost. Okay. Okay.
The distribution. Hold on. In the distribution, right? Can we go inside and also look at it? We didn't do that.
Okay. In the distribution on the receiver side, you're saying?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, we can go, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, all right.
But all this you have to show to the client. Only then the client agrees, okay, whatever, based on the reporting structure, they say, okay, follow this method or that method, whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm done with manual repost.
So are we done for the day? Oh, okay.
No. What's the time now?
Yeah, but
10:36.
don't worry about the time.
36.
Yeah. One more. This last setting we'll do it and we finish. Okay.
Okay.
Here. Repost line item wise now. Okay. If you people remember, there were two documents that were generating. One was accounting, one was controlling, right? When we posted in F-02, right? So there were two documents. So now this is based on the line item wise, line item of the controlling document. Now if you go to this KB61, based on the line item you are transferring. Okay, you just execute. Oh, no, give the company code. Remove this. Execute. Okay, now which one would you want to transfer it from? Okay, let's say I want to take this. Okay, you double click on this. Okay, now from this particular document number 1, see line item wise I'm doing now. Document 1, this amount of 50,000, from this 50,000, 5,000 I want to transfer it to production department 2. Enter. What it says? Assign. Number ranges RK U3. By now you should be familiar with this number ranges.
Yeah. Yes.
Continue. Okay. So 5,000 has been transferred to, okay, 2. Next, below you see here, next. It goes to again, I'll say transfer to 3, let's say another 6,000. Okay, now go ahead and save it. So documents was posted under so and so. Let's go ahead and see the report now. So 1-1, I'll execute. Okay, now what do you see? In the production department 1, it has disturbed over here. Hello?
The balance should be 39,000, I think.
Sorry?
No, I said like you took out 6,000 and then 5,000. The balance should be 39,000 in Department A.
No, we reduced some more value. No, earlier also we have reduced in the manual, right?
Okay.
Manual
okay.
reposting.
Right. Okay.
Right. Now I go to this. What's this? I've transferred how much? 5,000. Right? If you double click on this, go to the actual line item, you'll see here. Earlier 5,000, this 5,000. Okay, in the department 3 over here we have transferred 6,000. Getting this, Farhan?
Yeah.
But the only difference in the repost line item is if you want to do it again, if you want to transfer from the same, you cannot do it.
I'm sorry, repeat it again.
Now if I want to transfer again, see I want to do it again.
Right.
Okay, based on this. That 50,000 is there, now see it's gone now. I cannot do it. Once done, over, that's it.
Okay.
Also,
Even
you
though
can.
balance is there, only once you can do it.
Okay, so let's say if I transfer from department 1 to department 3, I cannot move it from department 3 back to department 1.
No, I mean to say in department 1 there was 50,000, right? It was showing here, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I have transferred how much? 11,000, right?
Yeah.
Till balance was how much? 39 was there, right?
Yeah.
Whatever amount. Then again if I want to transfer some more, you cannot do it, I'm saying.
Oh, so you can always do only one transfer.
Once.
Oh,
When you are
okay.
transferring from your sender, that is your sender.
But why?
Only in case of a line item. Only in case of a line item.
Oh, okay.
But why there is such a restriction where you cannot transfer to another department more than once?
No, for other whatever the other methods which I have shown you, on those methods you can do it n number of times. But in case of a line item, you can do it only once.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. Why? Because in the line item, if you keep on doing, there is a chances of a manipulation, right? Through a line item if you do it.
Okay.
Okay. Because in other methods, we are directly doing it. If you have seen, I'm giving a cost center, moving through a cost center. Here I'm using a cost center plus a line item.
Okay.
This is very important. They'll ask you difference between a manual repost and a repost through a line item.
Okay.
See, if I want to do a manual reposting, I can go ahead and do it again from that department, whatever department I use. But I cannot do it through a repost line item wise.
Okay.
Alright, so once you come back, come with a fresh mind for the next session, I'll take internal order. Important topic.
Internal. When are we doing foreign exchange?
We'll do it. No, let us finish this.
Okay. All right.
So can we?
You want me to do foreign exchange first? Because we are in a rhythm of this, so I wanted to finish internal order.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
So
That's
Kadir,
fine.
can we do like earlier class? Are you gonna find out? Are you gonna let us know or something?
Yeah, I'll update you, man. Because
Yeah, because you know the days are short these days because of the winter. So like like 10, 11 o'clock, you're like really sleepy basically.
Okay. I'll see.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hadi, I wanted you to walk me through the payment terms, but you can take Hashita's one. Then to Monday you can take mine.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Okay. All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Farhan.
No, it's
What is
okay. I
it?
was just gonna tell Kavita if she needs the recording, I'll give it to her.
Okay. All right.
Can we get an Excel sheet, please?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Okay. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, Arshita.
My doubts.
Yeah, that is what I'm waiting.
Okay.
No, not today.
Not today, okay.
Yeah, okay. All
Not
right.
today.
Okay.
I can't do it today, I'm sorry. Will you be able to do it tomorrow for you in the evening?
Let me check because I don't know where I'll be on the weekend.
Okay. All right.
So tomorrow we have a class?
Because asset management.
I'll mail you
It's
across.
Okay, why? Because it's asset management and material management. Both of them are not moving forward.
Okay.
I got stuck.
Sure. I'll get it.
Weekend, if I can't practice again, it's a waste of time, right? So that's the reason.
Okay. Sure.
So do we have a class tomorrow or not?
No.
No.
She's asking for her
Okay.
No,
errors,
no
issues.
Okay.
Yeah, no weekend business. No
Okay.
weekend business.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.